Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Your Excellencies, Madam Aisha Al-Fadan, Vice Chairwoman, Qatari Business Women Association, distinguished panelists and guests, members of the media, ladies and gentlemen. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh, and a very good afternoon. Firstly, I'd like to apologize for coming down a little bit late because my teleprompter that I normally use when I have to address important forums like this decided to break down. And they were looking for a replacement profusely, but I was told that it was not available at the very last minute, so I had to quickly look through my speech through this text. So that whatever I'm going to say, it will make sense, and it will also give you sensible ideas of what I'm going to say in this keynote address at this auspicious forum. So I really apologize. It was technical hitch. All the same, I'm delighted to be here this afternoon amongst highly accomplished businessmen and women from the GCC and ASEAN. I was made to understand the organizer had worked closely with the Qatar Business Women Association, or known as QBA, in making this afternoon session possible. I would also like to thank the organizers, Insight Investor, for inviting me to speak on this topic on the role of women in strengthening business ethics.